Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get paid on Depop. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in depop.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Depop if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So at the top side of the screen, as you can see, we have the search bar where you can go and search for anything that you of course want. In the top right corner, we can see that we have the sell now, your messages, the likes, and everything about your profile, including the logout button here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get paid on Depop. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So go to your selling hub. So basically go to the sell now, so go to your selling hub, click on the top right corner, as you can see, and go to the tap the Depop payments banner and follow the instructions to add your personal details: name, address, email, date of birth, phone number, etc. Then link your bank account, so head to my Depop, then go to menu, Depop balance, scroll down to payment settings and click bank account. Enter your bank account details, then verify identity, and of course the last thing is to receive payouts. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.